The Grow Tent 8x4 600D features top-quality materials with a reflective 600D mylar and a sturdy steel frame capable of handling over 110 pounds, ensuring durability and effective light blocking. With a 95% reflective mylar lining, this grow tent significantly boosts the efficiency of lighting setups, enhancing the growth of plants, flowers, fruits, and vegetables by retaining heat effectively. The tent's design includes an easy-access door and observation window, allowing you to monitor your plants comfortably without disturbing their environment. Thanks to its user-friendly design, this grow tent is easy to assemble even for beginners, requiring no additional tools for setup. The upgraded connector design, made from durable PA material, ensures a rust-resistant and firm support structure with adjustable tightness for added stability. Manufactured by TLS under the Zazzy brand, the Grow Tent 8x4 600D is a reliable choice for indoor gardening enthusiasts aiming for efficient plant growth.